Imagine being the mastermind behind the software that powers our daily lives, from applications to systems. That's the life of a head of software development. This role is the cornerstone of the tech industry, the linchpin that holds together the virtual world we so heavily rely on. The head of software development is not just a job title, it's a position of influence, of power, of innovation. They're the ones creating the digital solutions that transform businesses and redefine consumer experiences. They oversee the design, development, and deployment of software systems, making sure everything runs smoothly. They're the wizards who turn lines of code into functional, user-friendly software. And they don't do it alone. They lead teams, guide strategies, and ensure that every project is a step forward in technological development. So, are you ready to discover the ins and outs of this influential role? Stick around, and you might just find your future career. So, what does a typical day look like for a head of software development? What skills do they need to succeed? Well, let's dive into the blueprint of this role. The head of software development is like a conductor of an orchestra, orchestrating a symphony of code. They're responsible for overseeing the entire software development process, from the initial brainstorming sessions to the final product release. This role requires a delicate balance of technical know-how and leadership abilities. On the technical side, they're often deep in the trenches, guiding their team through complex coding challenges. They need a solid understanding of various programming languages and an ability to grasp the intricacies of software architecture. But it's not all about the code. As a leader, they're also in charge of project management. They set the pace, ensuring projects stay on track and within budget. They also foster a collaborative environment, encouraging their team to bring innovative ideas to the table. In addition, they need to have a keen eye for problem solving. Software development often involves overcoming hurdles, and it's the head of software development's responsibility to find solutions that keep the project moving forward. Communication is another key skill. They act as a bridge between the technical team and non-technical stakeholders, translating complex jargon into understandable language. With the right skill set, the head of software development can bring the digital world to life. But what is the context of this role? Operating in a fast-paced and dynamic environment, the head of software development navigates the digital landscape with a team of skilled professionals and cutting-edge tools. This team, a diverse mix of software engineers, designers, and project managers, forms the backbone of any software development project. Together, they brainstorm, design, code, test, and refine it to transform a mere idea into a practical, functional software. The tools of the trade are equally important, from project management tools like Jira to coding platforms like GitHub, and from design software like Sketch to testing tools like Selenium. The toolbox is comprehensive. These tools streamline processes, foster collaboration, and ensure quality, making them indispensable in the pursuit of excellence. But the journey isn't always smooth sailing. Challenges often arise, as they do in any job. Tight deadlines can push the team to their limits, while differing client expectations can lead to revisions and reworks. Ensuring that the final product not only meets but exceeds the client's needs is a task that demands unwavering dedication and meticulous attention to detail. Though the challenges are real, so are the rewards. Let's explore the benefits of this role. The head of software development role doesn't just offer a paycheck. It offers prestige, satisfaction, and a host of opportunities. Let's delve into the rewards that come with this position. Firstly, the compensation for this role is nothing to scoff at. It's a well-rewarded position, reflecting the high level of responsibility and expertise required. With a generous salary, it's a role that can provide financial stability and a comfortable lifestyle. But the rewards don't stop at the financial. The head of software development role offers a high status within the tech industry. You're not just a cog in the machine, you're steering the ship, making decisions that impact the entire organization and possibly even the industry at large. In terms of work schedule, flexibility is often a key feature. As the head of a department, you may have more control over your working hours, providing a better work-life balance. Moreover, this role serves as a springboard for numerous advancement opportunities. Whether you aspire to become a chief technology officer or start your own tech company, this position puts you on the right track. With the right skills, the head of software development role offers a rewarding career path full of opportunities. But don't just take our word for it. Now that you've got a glimpse into the life of a head of software development, what do you think? Is this the career for you? If you're intrigued, don't stop here. There's a whole universe of software development to explore on our channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We value your perspective. Remember, the world of software development awaits and your journey starts here. Subscribe, comment, and join the conversation. Your future career could be just a click away.